back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Shrek nails. Don't mind me. I kind of look like Shrek right now. We're going to be doing Shrek and we're going to be doing Donkey. So let's just get on into it. I'm using cotton candy acrylic from Valentino for the base. I'm going to be painting this picture of Shrek. I'm starting with the base. I did do white before, so the color was more vibrant. I am using highlight from Bio Seaweed Gel, and then I'm going to be mixing clear top coat in with black and a little bit of green to create the shading color. When you're doing shading, you will always want to be building up layers and layers. It creates more depth and dimension. I'm going to be using this micro detailer brush from my website. It's my favorite tiny brush for doing intricate details. By the way, in his eyes, I use my white liner gel, and now I'm going around it with my black mixed with clear top coat to make it more saturated and not so dark. Now we gotta add some texture on his face using different various colors of shading and little white in his eyes. Now this was a fun part. I loved making his jacket. I like to do the wet painting method sometimes to give it texture. That just means that I do not cure the colors and I just kind of paint. After I'm all done, I'm just gonna seal this Shrek with my no wipe shiny top coat. Look at him, he's so cool. Now we're moving on to Donkey. That Shrek nail, by the way, took me an hour, and this one also took me an hour. I didn't capture a lot of Donkey. It was really hard to explain this kind of character art. It just kind of comes to me, and I just start laying stuff down, and it eventually just all comes together. The two brushes I use in this video is the 9mm liner brush and the micro detailer brush, and also don't forget I used highlight from Bio Seaweed Gel. I love this color, but I definitely suggest using it over white. Finishing this look off with my cotton candy cuticle oil, which I also sell on my website, and this is the final look. I figured let's just do a simple, classy, clean French on the other nails because Shrek is already weird by itself, and I wanted to find a way to make these cute. Shrek's not very cute, but now we got some cute Shrek nails. I'm just gonna go over the products I used one more time. I used my whiteout bottle gel, my no wipe shiny top coat, 3 colors from Bio Seaweed Gel, milk chocolate, highlight, and coconut, and then 3 liner gels. I used my Baddest Black, Level Up white liner gel, and my green lime wire gel. And the gray on Donkey I used was from Valentino, number 49, and I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.